Hello and welcome to our Amazon DSP tutorial. For those of you who don't know what DSP is, DSP stands for Amazon's Demand Side Platform, which can be used by advertisers to purchase display and video ads. Some of you may know the DSP under the name Amazon Advertising Platform, since that was the previous name of it. Basically, your advantages with the Amazon DSP is that you can reach users on and off Amazon, and that you can target exclusive Amazon audiences. More to that later. At the moment, there are two options to get access to the Amazon DSP, which is the Amazon Managed Service, where you need a minimum spend of 10,000 euros, or the Enterprise Self-Service, which is only available for selected agencies and large companies on request. What is also pretty special about the DSP is that not only Amazon sellers and vendors can use it, but also external third parties who do not sell on Amazon. So the next question is, where do ads appear and link to? So the ads can be shown, of course, in Amazon's own media. So for example, Amazon.com or their app. Also in their associated media. So for example, the Fire TV. Then also on publisher sites such as yahoo.com or weather.com, but also on third-party exchanges such as Atlas. And the ads can link to your product detail pages on Amazon, as well as your brand stores or landing pages on Amazon, but also on external landing pages. So next thing we have a look at is the sales funnel. What you can see here is that you can target customers at every part of the sales funnel with DSP. So you can see that with sponsored brands, for example, you can use them for awareness or consideration, and sponsored product ads and sponsored display ads for consideration, purchase, and loyalty. But DSP can be used for all of the four parts of the sales funnel, which is also pretty special. To have a closer look at this, we will check out the DSP formats now. So for the upper funnel, the awareness part, we recommend video ads because it's really easy to share your brand message there. You can explain a lot, show a lot, and that's why we recommend video ads here. So for the middle funnel, the consideration part, we recommend display ads that can be shown on the Amazon website, ad devices, but also on external pages. And so you have a lot of possibilities where to show it, and also they have an individual design, which is pretty good, and you can customize it for your needs. Then for the lower funnel, so really the purchase, we recommend dynamic e-commerce ads because the format and design changes based on customer behavior. What is always showing is the product image and title, but you have the option to use a custom designed image. You can also display it on and off Amazon. It has, which is really important, the Amazon call to action design. It's a design that basically everyone knows, so it's like a trusted CTA. And it links to your product detail page, which is like the last instance before you buy something. So on this slide, we have summarized the advantages of DSP again. Like the really biggest advantage is the first party data that you get from Amazon. So the Amazon DSP in this case is better than Facebook or Google since it provides not only like interests or demographic characteristics like gender or age, but also data on search and buying behavior. Also, of course, Amazon is recognized as a trusted entity, which will lay back to your business. And which we explained now in the last slides is that you have the possibility to reach customers in every state of the sales funnel, which is pretty hard with other types of ads. So next we come to the part targeting and retargeting with DSP. As you can see, we have a lot of possibilities here. There are 6 targeting types and also 3 retargeting options, which we will have a closer look at now. So first thing you can do is in-market targeting, which is based on the historical shopping and browsing behavior on Amazon. And there are predefined segments or custom user segments. So we also have examples so that it's a little bit better to understand. If a customer has bought gym products in the past, your ad may appear when segments like health, sport, or fitness are selected. Then next we have the lifestyle targeting. The lifestyle targeting is based on the user's phase of life, and it's also predefined segments or custom user segments. So, for example, if a customer has bought movies in the past, then your ad may appear when the lifestyle film fan is selected. As you can see on the image on the right, you can also target parents with children in different ages, which is, for example, good if you sell toys or stuff like that. Then next we have the contextual targeting, which is based on product categories in which the target group currently browses, and it's only available if you use the managed service by Amazon. So, for example, if you have selected the category education, then your ad may appear when users view product detail pages of school books or stuff like that. Then we have the demographic targeting, which you may already know if you use ads, for example, on Google. Basically, it's based on demographic characteristics such as gender and age. So if you have selected female and age 25 to 34, then your ad may appear when a 28-year-old woman browses on Amazon. Then next we have location and time targeting. Location, of course, is based on the place where the user lives or works, and time is based on specific days or time of the day. So if you have selected Berlin and weekdays only, then your ad may appear on Monday to Friday for users living in Berlin. This is particularly useful if you sell, for example, products with a design where it says Berlin or Frankfurt or whatever city. So then this targeting option is especially useful. Then next you can also use technology targeting, which is based on the user's device or domain. And if you, for example, select Samsung, the ad will appear if someone uses a Samsung device, of course. Then next, what is also pretty interesting about DSP are the retargeting options, because you can retarget Amazon users who visited your brand or product detail pages, but also competitor pages. So if a user visited the detail page of your product but didn't purchase, then your ad can be shown when the user visits, for example, like a publisher page like Spiegel or Stern or whatsoever the next day. Then you can also retarget advertiser audiences. So you can target your own users based on pixels or based on customer data matching. So if a user visited the detail page of your product on the desktop, then your ad may appear when the user visits the Amazon mobile app as well. And then last but not least, we have the retargeting of lookalikes. So you can target users which show similar characteristics to a reference user segment. So when the lookalike Prime Day shopper is selected, then your ad may appear for users who have the same buying behavior like users who bought products on Prime Day. So here we have the advantages also at a glance, a little bit more detailed, which is, like I already said, like the biggest advantage is that you can reach audiences based on exclusive real-time one-party data from Amazon. You can target audiences on and off Amazon across sites, apps, and devices, so you have a lot of possibilities. Also, you can use dynamic CPM pricing across comprehensive and unique supply. You can rely on brand safeguards and cost transparency, which is guaranteed by Amazon. Also, you can use custom designed images, but also standard product images. You can gain audience insights and performance analytics to optimize campaign performance. You can automatically adapt to all major ad formats. You can target users in all steps of the sales funnel, which we saw, and you can link to different places like your product detail page, but also external websites. So as you can see, we have a lot of possibilities and advantages with DSP. So the next question, if you are thinking about using the DSP, is how to use it or who to choose. And the question is, why should you choose BidX? So the thing is, DSP has a lot of advantages, a lot of possibilities, but of course, it also has like a really complex structure. And since there are so many possibilities, you really have to understand the structures and the algorithms behind DSP. And since there's an extremely large amount of screw points, like frequencies, audiences, creatives, and a lot more, you need to know how to use them to really get all out of DSP. So what BidX can offer you is like high DSP competence and a low management fee. Also, we will offer you a complete setup of your campaigns, continuous optimization, and strategic consulting. Also, you get like regular reporting and you have the full control through our performance dashboard. So these are like the really biggest advantages that you have with BidX. So the next question is, what is the billing model? So in general, DSP ads are built for supply, so at the CPM model, and you pay a management fee. Our minimum monthly fee is 599 euros, and there's a minimum commitment of 3 months. Also, we recommend to use a budget of at least 9,000 euros to get traffic and also have enough data to optimize the ads continuously. So next question, how to get started. So we recommend you to schedule a meeting with our DSP experts. You can simply go to our website, bidx.it/DSP call. Here we are happy to answer all your questions and explain everything in detail again. If everything is clear then and you are as excited as we are about DSP, you will receive a media plan from us. And after you sign it, then we will start with your campaigns. And you will receive a mid-campaign reports 2 weeks after we started. Then, of course, the optimization starts, so you will head into the upcoming quarter with a strong setup. So thanks for listening, and we will be happy to answer all your questions, and hope you will get started with DSP soon and bring your brand to a new level.